Genting Highland. Genting Highland, guys. Bugnaw. Palamig-lamig doon. Palamig dito. Let's go. Take our first wristband. I have wristband for the concert because I have here my Genting card. So you have free ticket for the concert. So the concert start at 7 p.m. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we're going there.
The door actually opened at 6.
Yeah, 6. So we stay here.
Because after you enter, you cannot re-enter it. So better like you done everything first. Only you enter.
Then we go
event.
at 6. Okay, thank you so much. So here this guys. We took a wristband, one for me and one for Milano. And then I have, oh my God, I got a lot of voucher. See, they give me voucher from Watson, and I have free from Sasa. Ito yung binigay nila sa akin, guys. Since I'm a member sa Genting Highland, may card ako, guys, sa Genting. Yan, dito yung card. Here's my Genting card. Yan yung Genting card ko, guys. I'm a member. Kaya pag may casino, pwede ako makapasok. Kasi may card ako. Member ako dyan. And since I'm a member, so all this one is free. Ako, tapos may free na isa. So si Milano. Since si Milano yung gusto manood ng banda, ginamit yung card ko. Free. Ginamit yung card ko, tapos may free siya na isa. One person na kasama. Yan. Yan. Free. Ano kaya to inside? Mga pampaganda. Making life beautiful. Okay? The concert start at 7 p.m. So 6 o'clock. We must go inside there. So we're still in the Awana Hotel, Awana Resort Hotel. Diba ang ganda? Oh my God! Mamaya concert, mag-live ako. Guys, at the open parking, the concert didn't start yet. So we have to wait for the banda. Open siya, guys. Oh. Ganda. Guys, bawal magkahit tubig. Bawal magdala ng tubig, water, at ibang pagkain. Grabe ka stricto. Kahit yung selfie stick ko, bawal. Kinuha nila yun doon. Di pwede ipasok dito. Kaya lang, ayan, hintay-hintay muna kami. Yan o, may mga upuan dito. Dito kami nakaupo.
Hey, good morning everybody!
Open siya, sana hindi uulan. Ang lamig dito sa Genting. Genting Highlands, ang lamig. Ganda dito, guys, no? Sana dito na lang ako tumira. Malamig dito. Yan ang Awana Resort World. May event yata sila dito. Yan pa mga sasakyan, no? Yan. May mga pasyo-syo pa sila ng mga klase-klaseng car. Ito siguro yung sa akin, no? Mazda. So may food truck dito sa loob. That's why they don't allow us to bring some food and drink inside. Takoyaki. Guys, si Milano nakapwesto sa harap. He's in front.
Goyang. Sesuai lah dengan konsep kita pada hari ini. Cuaca sejuk-sejuk, sambil-sambil melayan perasaan, kan? Ada yang sedang berduka lara. Ramai. Tak ada. Abang tak support lah abang, kan? Abang yang biasa yang mengecewakan orang, kan? Tak baik kan? Jadi lagu ni ditujukan khas buat mereka-mereka yang sedang berduka lara, supaya malam ini supaya kami berharap agar duka itu terubatlah sedikit pada malam ini. Dan kita nyanyi bersama-sama. Boleh ya? Boleh!
I
dan jangan marah. Flashlight. Wanita, Dinda dari jutaan. Memang luar biasa lah. Memang Dinda yang paling menawan. Saya minta semua jerit nama Ija boleh? 1, 2, 3. Dengarkan apa yang saya katakan. Ke belakang, kiri dan kanan, semuanya cakap.
So ayan guys, tapos na ang concert. We're going back home. Diba? Ang saya. Saya si Milano, masayang masaya. Yan, tapos na. Now we're waiting. We're going back home. Malayo pa ang uuwian namin. Enjoy talaga yung anak ko guys. Yung concert na yon is for him. Siya talaga yung gusto pumunta dito. Ako din nakikonsert lang. Nakikonsert lang ako. Ayan, gutom si Akits. Kain siguro muna kami. That's all.